First situation in India's Tripura has turned worse, with the death toll soars to 10. According to the local reports, the situation deteriorated so much on Wednesday. The reports say severe flooding devastated Tripura state and affected over 34,000 people who were forced to leave their homes and take shelter in relief camp. Meanwhile, India Meteorological Department issued an urgent red alert for the district of the Tripura, West, Quas and Sifhazla, cautioning this district that heavy rainfall is expected to lash this district once again in next 24 hours.